In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this ASUS. First of all, open Play Store and download free app Code Files by Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then select Continue, click on Allow, and tap on the switcher next to allow access to manage all files. Then hit Clean at the bottom left corner and select Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!